Okay, to use GEOS Cardfile, put in your Powerpak disk from RUN Magazine. Then double-click Cardfile. And when it starts up, we have to create a new card file. Enter a name. Choose a disk to save it to. Okay, then enter titles for your lines of information. I'm going to start with last name. And then when you're done, just hit enter until you're on the last line, then hit enter. Now you're going to choose a field to sort by. I'm just going to go with number 1, which is last name. Okay, when that's done, we need to go to Option and insert a new card. Then just click in each section, type in your information. And when you're done, click OK. Then go to Option. Here you can search your cards, delete and modify. Here I've added a second card, and you can see that it is auto-sorted. Page 1, last name Jones. And page 2 is Smith. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.